Some things change rapidly, but some stay constant, like our values and strong bonds with the close ones. Time is passing. We grow up, run towards our goals and ambitions, eager to realize our aspirations. It's important to slow down, feel the moment, get surprised. Fulfill your ambitions. Develop your passions. Take care of your inner child. Let the inner explorer out. Feel the moment and share it with your close ones. Introducing our new line of products. Some things change rapidly, but some stay constant. Unique models representing your values. Assemble them and immerse yourself in what you love. Magic Clock Collection by Wooden.City. Create your own time.